In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo. First, sign into your Klaviyo account and head to the main dashboard. From here, open the audience section. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your people data and where you'll manage the lists that power your campaigns and flows. Inside audience, choose lists and segments. Lists are static groups you'll send to, while segments are dynamic. For importing a file, we're creating a list. Click Create New, then choose Create List. Give your list a clear, specific name so you'll recognize it later, like newsletter subscribers or customers Q4. Naming clearly saves time when you're building campaigns. If your account uses tags, add a few that describe the source or purpose of this list. Tags make organization and reporting much easier, especially when you're importing from multiple places or teams. When you're set, click Create List to save it. You'll land on the New Lists page. Choose Upload Contacts. Now drag and drop your CSV file or click to upload it from your computer. A quick tip on the CSV. Include a header row, keep the email column named clearly, email works best, and remove duplicates or empty rows before you upload. If you're importing phone numbers for SMS later, use full international format. Clean data going in means cleaner segments and better deliverability. Click Upload, select your file, and then choose Next. Klaviyo will read your file and guide you through the import. If you see a preview of columns, take a moment to confirm everything lines up as expected. You'll be asked if these contacts subscribe to messaging. Choose Yes to confirm you have permission to email them. Consent is important for compliance and deliverability, so only import opted-in contacts as subscribed. You may see an additional prompt depending on your setup. Select No for now if you're not capturing SMS consent with this file. You can always collect SMS consent later via forms or flows. When everything looks good, click Import. Klaviyo will start processing your file. Larger files can take a few minutes. You can continue working elsewhere while the import runs. If any rows fail, Klaviyo will provide a downloadable report so you can fix formatting issues and re-upload just those contacts. Once the import completes, your new list is ready to use in campaigns, flows, and sign-up form targeting. That's it. Your contacts are now safely in Klaviyo, organized and ready to engage.